You think you're in control when you sneeze, bitches? Think again. That little achoo is actually a tiny biological explosion. The average human sneeze blasts out of your nose and mouth at a shocking speed of up to 160 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the maximum speed of a cheetah and quicker than many professional baseball pitches. This incredible pressure surge generated in your chest and lungs is designed to violently expel irritants from your body, and that speed is the reason for the biggest sneeze mystery. Why do you close your eyes? It's a physical reflex. If you tried to hold them open, the sheer explosive pressure in your head could theoretically cause serious damage. It's a natural protective barrier against the little supersonic blast happening inside your head. Stay tuned for the next science fact.